Hi, this is the LG G7 feed and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold the application and drag this app to another one, and by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folder. If you want to add here more application, just click to this plus icon and select other applications, then just tap to done to save the changes. If you want to rename the app, just tap the folder tab on the name and enter the new one, tap to OK. You could also change the folder color, just select one from them, tap to OK, and that's it. To move folder on the screen or between the screens, hold and drag it, and if you want to remove application from here, hold and drag it to the home screen. Also you could click here to this plus icon and unselect the applications. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.